area becomes 4 times. Okay, if radius is tripled, area becomes 9 times. L becomes, so if area becomes 4a, the length becomes L by 4 because LA is constant. Okay, fine. L becomes L by 4. So therefore, because R is equal to rho L by A, see if area becomes A by 4A and L becomes L by 4, the resistance will become R by 16. This is a concept involving many questions, okay? Similar questions, same concept. Fine. LA is constant, okay? हाँ हाँ इसमें 4R होगा, इसमें कुछ और जो भी है, ठीक है? Next. Fourteenth. If power of power is VI, right? 14 for 14, power is VI. So current is half. Okay, next. 15th. In figure, the current through the 3 ohm resistor is 0.8 ampere and potential drop through the 4 ohm resistor is. So see, 3 ohm resistor ke through current is 0.8 C. Three ohm, 6 ohm, and 4 ohm. Okay. So this is a good question because pardon. They're asking what is the potential drop across the 4 ohm resistor. Okay, 3 ohm resistor is this 0.8 ampere. What is the potential drop to the 4 ohm? So through this 0.8 ampere is flowing. Okay, that means what is the potential drop across this? So therefore potential drop across this is 3 into 0.8, right? It is 2.4, right? So this potential drop is 2.4. That means the same potential drop is across 6 ohm also. So what is the current? Parallel. So same PD across 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Okay, therefore I through the 6 ohm is equal to, no, not 0.8. What is the potential drops? 2.4 divided by 6, that is equal to 0.4 ampere. Okay, so the potential, the current through the lower branch is 0.4 ampere. Now करेक्ट पूछ रहे हैं पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस दिस पूछा है ना, तो ये टोटल करंट कितना मिला के हो गया यहाँ पे 1.2 एम्पियर. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर द पीडी अक्रॉस 4 ओम इज इक्वल टू 4.8 ओम. ठीक है, resistance is, yes, you can use that logic if resistance is doubled from here. So he's saying from here to here in a parallel the resistance is doubled, so the current is half. Basically you are saying I1 R1 is I2 R2. That is a, I mean, because we same I1 R1 in the parallel is I2 R2, where R1 and R2 are in parallel. Okay, fine. Okay, next, this was question number 15. Next. Done. Copied. 15. Next. 16 KCL. Echo. See, KCL is conservation of charge, and KVL is conservation of energy. Okay, there is no momentum conservation. Fine. So KVL is law of conservation of energy only. Okay. Yeah. इस 16th का B है क्या आंसर में? नहीं है, C है. Oh my bad. But I'll have to check. देखो देना है KVL is conservation of everywhere it is written, it is just conservation of energy, not charge. कहाँ पे लिखा है? Single circuit element. Everywhere else it is written KVL is energy. Yeah. किसका? Kirchhoff current law you are asking. KCL is charge. KVL is energy. Okay. So the answer is wrong there. It is just energy. हाँ, बाद में उसको भी हो गया तो हो गया, ठीक है. It is just energy. Next, 17th. क्या यह डाउट है? हाँ हाँ हाँ. 17th is done. 18th. A primary cell has an EMF 1 when short circuit. Okay, so if you have a cell जिसका EMF 1.5 volt हो and you short circuit it. Short circuit means you just connect it itself to it itself. Okay, so now the current is just E by R. Okay, so they are saying then it's easy, right? So it gives a current of 0.75. You can find it out. Okay. Pardon? किसके लिए पूछना? वो नहीं, इसके लिए फॉर्मूला नहीं है. So generally क्या होता है? You have a E, you have a R, you connect it to another external circuit, and I is equal to E by R plus R. This is the general circuit. Remember the circuit, not the result. Okay.
So then you can take that up and I now.
Yeah, then you can get R, right? But I'm saying remember the general circuit, not this result that what is internal resistance. Fine. So for a general circuit, this, and this is short circuit circuit. So short circuit में short circuit okay, it is this, that directly like this. So I is equal to E by R. Fine.
So no big resistance.
No big resistance. It's short circuited. Okay. Next. Huh? 23 का आंसर, yeah, 23 is C. I think few of them tried to. 23 is simple. 23 is like that differentiation exercise we did, no? इसमें infinite था कुछ, infinite differentiation. Y is equal to root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus. There was an exercise in differentiation we did. A, B. You wrote this, no? ये था ना? Yeah, it is like that only. So see, you have the circuit is 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. Yeah. The circuit is like this: 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. And then it, you know, this part is repeated. Understood? So this circuit is repeated again and again. So I am repeating in different colors. Each color is a repetition, right? And how many times it is repeated? Infinite, right? So this goes infinite. Now see what happens. If you're seeing the terminals like this, that means you connected a battery like this, okay? And then the current was flowing, going in this branch and then coming from out, okay? Now what happens? Current goes like this and then it comes somewhere and thoda either, okay? So this breaks into two, okay? And then this one breaks again. This was coming like this, it breaks again into two, right? Now the concept is, if this is an infinite ladder, right? If you remove, so which part is repeated? Do you understand that this part is repeated? This part is repeated, no? Right? Understood? Like an organism which is, right? If you remove one of them, let's say, that you are asking effective resistance, and I say the effective resistance of this across A and B is some R, okay? So I can replace it by R. Fine. Now the logic is, if this whole thing, the effective resistance across this AB is R, right? Then across this pink, it should also be R, right? Because addition of one more branch should not affect. If there's an infinite branches, addition or removal of one branch should not affect the effective resistance. Okay. Therefore, yeah, this pink branch, the pink colored, the effective resistance should be R, right? Understood? This whole blue thing is same as this the pink thing, because you're just removing one branch from the blue to get the pink branch. Understood? That's also pink is also R. Understood? So therefore, the effective resistance, see, if this is between A and B, it is R. Then if you make A 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, this is also R, right? This whole pink thing I've reduced to one resistance, which is R. Now, what is the effective resistance? This 2 and R are in. This 2 and R are in. So what is their effective resistance? 2R by 2 plus R. And that 2R by 2 plus R, sorry, is in series with this 2 and this 2. And then what do you get? R, right? This whole thing should be R. So therefore, little itna likho pehle. हो गया क्या marks? इतना लिखो पहले and then you try it out yourself, okay? You tell me what is the answer. Okay.